at the Johannesburg Magistrate Court this morning. The bail application was postponed to next month. The defense lawyer told the court that he needed further time to consult with the 6 accused. He's representing all 6. They were arrested last month in a joint operation between the police and other law authorities. A vehicle as well as other firearms, unlicensed firearms, were taken into custody. We know that during the time of the arrest, 7 men were taken into custody, but only 6 were charged. They're facing various different charges, including the murder of Babita Deokaran. With me to get more on the matter, we have the NPA's Phindi Njenenwane. Thank you so much for joining us. Can you tell us what charges are the men facing?
Well, they are charged with murder, attempted murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and unlawful possession of firearm and ammunition.
We know that the matter today was postponed. What was the reasons behind that postponement?
Okay, the defense made an application in court for a further postponement due to the fact that they were not yet ready to proceed with their applications to be released on bail, citing the fact that they could not consult with their witnesses, with their clients, and therefore they requested more time to do the consultation process with their clients.
When will the formal bail application now proceed?
It has been set down for 2 days, which is the 1st and the 5th of October 2021.
We know that in the last court appearance, we were told that other arrests might take place. Last week, we heard from the police minister that there were some people taken into custody. Are there others that have been taken into custody so far? Are there others that have been taken in for questioning? Can we see more people being arrested for this murder?
Well, remember, that's an issue of investigations. And as you are aware that the investigation is ongoing, the investigation process is not yet concluded. So we'll be guided by the investigation itself, whether or not there are more people who are allegedly involved. If so, then those people will get arrested. And if not, we will then proceed with the accused that are before court.
Thank you so much. That was the NPA's Phindi speaking to us outside the Johannesburg Magistrates Court this morning, where the 6 accused did make a very brief appearance. The matter was postponed to the 1st as well as the 5th of October for formal bail application. We heard from the defense lawyer saying that he needed more time to consult with his clients, saying that the prison that the men were being held at only allows legal consultation on a Friday, and as he is representing all 6, that he needed more time. This was granted by the judge this morning, as we heard from the NPA as well as the Hawks. The last time we were here in court, saying that more arrests might be imminent, that they were questioning other people who may be involved in the murder of Deokaran. She was a senior Gauteng health official, also part of an SRU investigation, quite a key witness into fraud and corruption that was taking place within that department, and specifically to the personal protective equipment, that's the PPE tender worth millions. We know from the SRU this was not the first case that she was part of, and that she'd helped and assisted them in quite a lot of the other investigations that they were looking into that department. We know that she was gunned down outside her home in the south of Johannesburg just after dropping off her daughter at school, and that the attempted murder charge that's been added to the 6 men is 4 shots that were fired at another female. We've been told that was the domestic worker, but this is an ongoing story, and we'll keep you updated. Back to you in studio.